Hello everyone. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Welcome to another video of mine. Today I just got myself a portable, I guess, air duster. First and probably my last time getting one of these. Who knows? And I got it for the sole reason because it has the highest RPM on the market currently, and I'm really hoping this could really resolve many of my issues. Well, not a lot of issues. This means in terms of cleaning and brushing things off for my keyboard, for example, and such and such. For the longest time, I've always been using regular air dusters because they're the most powerful currently. Like, there's no air duster that's portable and wireless that's strong enough against those, air dusters that you get in the cans. Because those things are the best, they get the job done, especially for electronics and stuff. Like, it's just so much more useful. And you could buy packs of those, you know what I mean? So, I really prefer those. I've been using those for years, but today I decided to just buy something that's a little bit more environmentally friendly. Obviously, I'm assuming we're using lithium batteries here, so I'm not really helping the environment. Also, I don't know, it's conflicting, right? Like, this will last longer for sure. However, it will degrade in power over time, and you just have to throw away at that point. So it doesn't make any sense, to be honest with you. But for the time being, it is what it is. I'm trying to open this dang thing. Oh, jeez. Alrighty then, that took a little longer than I thought, but here we are, the EQX3 Bond. Honestly, it was either between this or like one of those really powerful high-grade compressed air busters like the Makita 18V, one of those massive big ones they use for workshops and stuff. Like, I was not planning to get that because I mainly use this for like cleaning like my laptop and my keyboard and my desk sometimes. So I just wanted something to blow strong enough air, similarly to any air duster. So here we have a manual, but it's gonna take some time to read, so we put that aside for now. But let's just look at the product. And it comes with this really nice black packaging with all the little features here and there, which I really love. So you have to remove this. Wow, everything's all black, eh? This matte black finish. I really love it. This is really, really nice. Wow. Wow. I feel like I'm holding a blowtorch of some sort. Made in China. Of course it is. Of course it is. Oh, wow. Look at that, eh? Look at that. That's incredible. I'm assuming all these features do something like the fan speed. You read the manual for this. I'm assuming that's the trigger button. This is the power button. USB-C. There you go. That's the power button. I'm assuming you could change the speed in which these things could go. Oh, I'm assuming that's how powerful it is right now. Okay, so this is a. Oh my God! Oh my God, that's incredible. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, holy shit, holy shit. Okay, this boy is dangerous. That's actually incredible. So we got a USB-C cord, and we got some more, I don't know what this is. I'm assuming like nozzles? Give me a sec. No, I lied. This is like a small little pouch that comes with the thingy-majig. Look at that. Wow, this is a pouch. Really soft texture. You can tell it's some kind of... Did they make this out of like the cleaning material with lenses? It feels like that, kind of. It really does feel like that. And does it come with anything? Oh! It comes with a little... Oh, wow. Would you look at that? A paintbrush. Wow. So I'm assuming these are like this cleaning utensils for all or any devices around your desktop there. Especially, and if you feel like painting, you could definitely do such a thing. You got a fan brush, some regular brushes in there. Wow, thank you so much. I love this company. Thank you so much. And a really, really nice cleaning product to keep this thing behind bars. Holy crap, I wasn't expecting that power. let me demonstrate something for you guys right here. You see this little bottle? This is full blast, yeah? Jesus Christ. And I didn't hold out for that too long. Oh, let me just hold it for so long. Let's see how powerful that is. Holy crap. You can feel the recoil as you're pressing the thing. It feels like a nice, I don't want to say the word, but it feels good, it feels chunky, it's lightweight enough. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It seems to be fully charged right out of the box. Thank you so much. Well, I want to take some time to really use this amongst my other, the only disappointing part is this is only one nozzle I found out, so there aren't any other parts you could interchange unless no, there isn't. So it comes with one nozzle. I'm assuming you could remove this and change it if you needed to, but I think this is good enough for what I need. It blows enough air, but I'm really hoping it can be concentrated more like, you know, a regular air duster with a tin nozzle. And that blows cold air, so I'm hoping this could do the same job just as well. So, man, I'm mumbling my words. I'm so sorry. I just ate a burger, and yeah, I just ate dinner, to be honest with you. Some barbecue chicken and some mashed potatoes. Anyways, that's irrelevant to this to this tech review. I highly recommend. Powerful stuff. Powerful stuff. How do you turn this off? Boom, just like that. Anyways, I'm gonna try this out, read some of the manuals, see what other features this thing has, and thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?